Hello everyone. Today I have created an interactive Rohit Sharma Performance Index dashboard on Power BI utilizing the Rohit Sharma Performance dataset sourced from Kaggle spanning the years 2007 to 2021. This dashboard contains three pages which are ODI Performance Index, T20 Performance Index, and Test Performance Index. Let us first start with ODI Performance Index. This page contains a slicer to filter based on year, cards to display total innings, total runs, total six, total fours, total hundreds, total fifties, average, highest strike rate, dot ball percentage, total out instances, strike rate, and clustered column chart to display fours and six by year, clustered bar chart to display runs by year, donut chart to display runs scored per balls faced, and pie chart to display total balls faced and dot ball percentage, line chart to display fifties and hundreds by year. If I need to know what 2008, you can see 44 fours in the year 2008. Rohit Sharma hit 44 fours in the year 2008, three sixes. Total balls faced 733, total runs 532, balls 733, and dot percentage of 53.90. Can see total innings is 28, total runs scored by him in 2008 is 532, total sixes 3, total fours 44, 100, 0, 50s, 350s on average of 25.30, total dot ball percentage 53.90 with a strike rate of 72.60 and total out instances 21. You can see in 2008 0 hundreds, but he scored 350s. This is about Rohit Sharma ODI Performance Index for the year 2008. You can filter based on multiple years. Now let us jump into our next page, T20 Performance Index, Rohit Sharma T20 Performance Index. As like ODI Performance Index, this page contains a slicer to filter based on year, the same fours and six by year using clustered column chart, cluster bar chart to display runs by year, cards to display total innings, total runs, total six, total out instances, strike rate, total runs per ball faced using donut chart, total balls faced, and dot ball percentage using pie chart, line chart to display 50s and hundreds by year. If I need to filter based on 2018, here we can see total innings. Rohit Sharma played 18 innings in the year 2018. Total runs scored is 590. He hit 31 sixes, 52 fours, and he scored 2 centuries, 3 half centuries with an average of 36.90. Total dot ball percentage is 35 percentage. Highest strike rate is 111. Yes, he secured yes 350s and 200s. This is all about Rohit Sharma's T20 Performance Index. Let us jump into our last page, Test Rohit Sharma Test Performance Index. Here too, a slicer to filter based on year. Let us filter based on 2021. You can see Rohit Sharma played 13 innings in 2021. Total runs of 538. Hit 7 sixes and 66 fours and scored 1 century, 2 half century, an average of 44.80, highest strike rate of 161, total out instances is 12. In 2021, he faced 1014 balls with a dot percentage of 75.208 and test cricket. Runs scored for total runs scored for balls for 538 balls he scored 1014 runs. And this is all about my Rohit Sharma Performance Index dashboard. Thank you.